Hello, my name is Corey Heyer. I'm the executive chef at the Bernard's Inn, and today we're going to be doing some seared scallops with a black truffle risotto topped with caviar. We're going to do a very traditional risotto. Start with some butter, sweat onions and garlic, add our rice and toast it a little bit, deglaze with a little white wine, and then we're going to add water. We're not going to use any chicken stock because it's going with fish. Just going to go with water and bring out the natural nuttiness of the rice. We're going to finish it with some sliced black truffle, a touch of black truffle oil, and a little bit of chive. Then we're going to sear these scallops. These are U12 day boat scallops. U12 is the size. That means that there's 12 of them in a pound. We're going to sear them in just a touch of oil, finish them with a little bit of butter, and we're going to top them over the risotto. And then we're going to grate some of this black truffle pecorino cheese over the top to reinforce the truffle flavor in the dish. And then we'll finish everything with some of this caviar on top. It's American paddlefish caviar. It'll give it a nice nuttiness. It's going to complement the nuttiness of the rice and a little bit of pop to go with the scallops. This is Corey Heyer, the executive chef at the Bernard's Inn. I hope you enjoy this scallop dish with black truffle risotto and caviar. Thank you so much.